Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to my dear student. I hope you all are well and healthy at home. So my dear students, this video for class 5. I repeat, this video for class 5. In previous video, we did our lesson number 14. Our lesson number 14, Fil Mustashfa, right? In the hospital. So I tell you that time that this is the part 1 and we will do in next video part 2 means part B, right? So today we are going to do our lesson number 14's part B. So see in your book, open your book page number 72. So you can see in your book. See, in previous video, part A, Fil Mustashfa in the hospital, right? So, what we learn in that lesson, there is one boy whose name is Muhammad and he is not well. So, his friend took him to the hospital and then whatever doctor tell him and doctor give him to prescription of medicine and everything, right? So, in this video, in part B, we will learn that we will see the conversation of doctor and patient, right? So see in your book ba in the tabibi, and what is the translation? With the doctor. Part B, with the doctor, right? See, Al-Mariz, patient said, Masa al-Khair. Masa al-Khair means good evening. And what we call when we have to say good morning in Arabic, Sabah al-Khair, right? So Mariz said, patient said, Masa al-Khairi, good evening. Tabibu, doctor said, Masa al-Nur. It's also that good evening, right? Al-Marizu, patient said, Mumkin adkhul. Mumkin adkhul means patient asked the permission of enter in the cabin of the doctor. So, patient said, it is possible or can I enter? May I enter? So, at-tabibu, doctor said, tafazzal, please come. Ma indaka, what do you have? Or maza asabaka, what happened to you? Right? Both sentence meaning are similar, but they are showing us two different type of writing, right? So, in this mumkin adkhulu. Adkhulu, this is the fele muzare, right? Fele muzare, wahid muzakkar wa muannas mutakallim. Adkhulu means can I enter or may I enter? Then ma, indaka. Ma, this is the adwatul istifham, and here maza also adwatul istifham. Ka, this is zamair, zamire, muttasila, attached pronouns, right? At-tabibu, this is the singular word and its plural is atibba'u. So, patient asked permission to enter in doctor's cabin and doctor allowed him to enter in the cabin. And doctor asked, what do you have or what happened to you? So, Al-Marizu, patient said, Alamul Batni. Alamul Batni. See this word Alamul. We learned in previous video also Alamul Jismi, right? Alam means pain, Jism means body, and here Alamul Batni means stomach ache. Batn means stomach, right? Alamul Batni means stomach ache, पेट का दर्द. Al-Marizu, patient said, Alamul Batni, stomach ache, means I have stomach ache. At-Tabibu, the doctor said, Hal indaka ishal? Hal indaka ishal? Do you have a diarrhea? Ishalun means diarrhea. Hal means, this is the adwatul istifham. There is lots of adwatul istifham. Aina, kaifa, mata, maza, ma, and hal, come. So hal one of them. Indaka, do you have ishalun? Ishalun means diarrhea. Do you have a diarrhea? You have a stomach ache. So do you have a diarrhea? Doctor asked him. Al-marizu, patient said, Shuvi, kalilan, little bit. Means little bit means not more or not a very big problem. There is little bit problem with my stomach. At-tabibu, doctor said, Mata bada'a. Mata bada'a. When did it start? Means when your stomach ache start. So mata, this is also a question word, adwatul istifham. Bada'a, this is the fele mazi, means past tense, and past tense wahid muzakkar gaib, means third person singular male. So doctor asked, doctor asked, Mata bada, when did it start? Al marizu, patient said, Sabah al yawm, means today morning. Al yawm means today. Yawmun means only day, and al yawm means today. Sabah al yawm means today morning. I have a stomach ache and it start in today morning. At-tabibu, doctor said, Hal indaka sudaun? Hal indaka sudaun? Sudaun means headache. Headache means sarka dard, right? So, Hal indaka sudaun? Do you have a headache? Or hal laka sudaun? You have a headache? They are showing us two different type of writing or two different type of asking to the person about the health. So, Almari's patient said, La, no, means I don't have a headache. At-tabibu, doctor said, Maza tanawalatil yawm, what did you eat today? What do you eat today? Maza, this is also adwatul istifham. Tanawala, this is fele mazi. At-tabibu, doctor says, Maza tanawalatil yawm, what do you eat today? Al-mariz, patient said, see, patient said to the doctor that I have a stomach ache. So doctor asked that you have a diarrhea or something. Patient said not more, that is little bit problem in my stomach. Then doctor said to the patient that when did it start? So the patient said today morning. So that then after, if you have a stomach ache, so that's why doctor asked that what do you eat today? Means whenever you eat something bad or not digest your body, so that time you have a stomach ache. That's why doctor asked that what do you eat today? Al-Mari's patient said al-khubz wal ful. Al-khubz means bread or chapati and ful means beans. So al-khubz wal fuz, the bread and the beans. Mumkin haza min tasammumit ta'am. So patient tell to the doctor of his doubt that mumkin possible haza this mean tasammumit ta'am because of food poisoning. See, patient said that I eat chapati and beans, so possible this cause or this is because of tasammumit ta'am means food poisoning. Ta'am means food, tasammum means poison. So because of food poisoning there is a stomach pain. At-tabibu, doctor said, La ta'kulit at-imatil kadima. At-imatil kadima. Do not eat at-imatun, food, kadima means old. Do not eat old food. You have to eat every day hot and proper cooked food, right? So la ta'kul, don't eat at-imatul kadima, old food. At-imatun, this is the plural of ta'amun, kadimatun. So what is the opposite of kadimatun? Qadimatun means old, so jadidatun, right? La ta'kul, this is the fi'l muzare manfi. Wala tashrab alma al mulawwis, and do not drink alma al mulawwis, dirty water. See, water is very important and necessary thing to survive the life. And in our sunnah way of drinking also there is that six sunnah way of drinking, and one of them is that you have to see water first and then drink. Look into the water and then eat. So our Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam teach us lots of good thing, lots of sunnah, which is helpful to our good and healthy life. So if we are follow that our sunnah way of Nabi Karim Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, so that time also our health also good and healthy. So wala tashrabal ma'al mulawwis, and do not drink dirty water. La Buddha, it is necessary or must, antu hafiza, you have to remember, or you have to must be, you must keep the, antu hafiza, you have to keep, ala nazafatil bait, to the house clean. See, it is necessary or must be, you must be keep the house clean. Al-bayt means house, nazafatun means clean. Ala, this is the hurufe jarra, and there is lots of hurufe jarra. Ala, ila, min, right? Li. So one of them is this, whenever this letter come before any word, this letter give a kasra after word. So doctor tell to the patient that don't eat old food, don't drink dirty water, and you must keep the house clean. Wal bi'ati, an environment, wal asasi, and furniture, wal malabis, and clothes, wal makulat, and the food. See, one more time I do this translation. Do not eat old food, do not drink dirty water, and you must keep the house clean. You must keep the house clean, and environment, and furniture, and clothes, and food. So this all thing if you do clean, that time you are not going to ill. Now see another page, page number 73. Al-Marizu, patient says, Maza usabbi ya tabibu, what should I do, O doctor? Maza, what? Usabbi, should I do? Ya tabibu, O doctor. Means if I have a stomach pain, so what should I do? Maza, this is also adwatul istifham. At-tabibu, doctor said, Atika adwiyatun li salasati ayyamin, I give you adwiyatun, medicines, li salasati ayyamin, for 3 days. Atika, I give you. Adwiyatun, this is the plural of dawaun, right? Li salasati ayyamin, for 3 days. I give you a medicines for 3 days. Wa alayka, and you have, and you should, mutaba'atun, follow, irshadatit tanzif, the cleaning instructions, fi hayatikal yawmiyati, in your daily life. See, one more time, see, wa alayka, and you should follow, mutaba'atun, and you should follow, irshadatut tanzif, the cleaning instruction, fi hayatikal yawmiya, in your daily life. Hayatuka means your life, yawmiya means daily, irshadat means instruction, tanzif cleanliness, mutabiatun follow. So see this translation. At-tabibu, doctor says, Atika, I give you adwiyatun li salasati ayyamin, medicines for 3 days, and you should follow the instructions of cleanliness or cleaning in your daily life. So my dear student, in this lesson we learn about cleanliness also, iyadat, lots of our sunnah we learn in this lesson. See, in Nabi Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam hadith, there is a Nabi Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam hadith that cleanliness is half of iman. At-tuhuru shatrul iman, cleanliness is half of iman. So see, if you clean your clothes, you clean your body, you eat healthy food, and you drink clean water, that time you are not going to ill or you are not going to unwell, right? So this little thing, if we follow of our sunnah, so we got the sawab also from the Allah Taala, हम सवाब भी हासिल कर लेंगे और हमारी हेल्थ भी अच्छी रहेगी, right? So in this lesson we learn about iyadat also. Whenever someone is ill or unhealthy, that time if you are going to his or her house and ask him or her to about them health, this is also a sunnah, right? So this small thing if we are follow, so that time we got the sawab also, and we do ourselves clean and healthy also. So my dear student, I hope you all are understood this translation. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in comment. Till then, stay home, stay safe, eat healthy food, and obey your parents. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.